Hi everyone, I am Dr. R. Soumya, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are going to see the subject IoT based system design. The topic is fog, edge and cloud computing. On completion of this video, the students will be able to understand the fog computing, edge computing and cloud computing. Fog and edge computing are both approaches that move data processing closer to the source of data, reducing reliance on the cloud. Edge computing processes the data directly on devices or nearby gateways. The fog computing extends cloud capabilities to the network edge. So this is the diagram. So the edge computing means the computing process is done in the device level. Next one is the fog computing. So the computing process is done between the cloud computing and the edge computing. The data from the fog is moved to the cloud. Finally, the cloud computing compute the data in the cloud. Edge computing computation take place at the edge of the devices or network, which is known as edge computing. That means the computer is connected with the network of the device which processes the data and send the data to the cloud in the real time. The computer is known as the edge computer or edge node. With this technology, data is processed and transmitted instantly. The autonomous vehicle edge computing device is collect the data from the cameras and sensors on the vehicles, process it and make a decision in milliseconds, such as self-parking cars. Next on the fog computing. Fog computing is an extension of the cloud computing. It is a layer in between the edge and the cloud. When edge computers send huge amount of data to the cloud, fog nodes receive the data and analyze what is important. Then the fog nodes transfer the important data to the cloud to be stored and delete the unimportant data to keep them with themselves for future analysis. In this way, fog computing save lot of space in the cloud and transfer important data quickly. So in edge computing is the subdivision of the fog computing. Fog computing is the subdivision of the edge computing. The bandwidth requirement is very low. Bandwidth requirement is very high in the fog computing. Edge devices are the inclusion of the IoT devices or client network. Fog is the extension layer of the cloud. Next is the cloud computing. Cloud computing is the technology that allows you to store and access the data and applications over the internet instead of using your computer hard drive or the local server. In cloud computing, you can store the different types of data such as files, image, videos, documents on remote servers and access them anytime from any device connected to the internet. Thank you.